But I don't have any ammo for this, so I'm not gonna buy it. Wait, I can buy it? Should I try the gun then? I'm too tired to use the gun. I want to really like use it in the full condition. I'll buy and mod it out first though. Should I buy the already modded gun? I think I should buy this one because the mods are gonna be sold in a really expensive price. Yeah, buy it with the scope, I think. So full auto, possible caliber, pretty low recoil, high ergonomics, so I guess you go with this. Oh, you can use these ones. Oh, okay. Should change the stock. Do without suppressor first. Okay. Use this stock. Match the color a little. Set time, man. Stock is not done. I changed it, okay? Bro. So scary people are. Better. Wait. Where did the Meg go? Meg? Ammos, I guess. This one is the best, but I can't buy it. I gotta buy FMJ. You gotta put in the front sight and right side for more ergo. It has 7 bullets in it. More ergo? It's alright for now. Like I'm just testing out. I know you do that, but it gives you like +1 or 2 ergo, right? I mean, I might be too noob to realize it, but I don't really mind those kind of ergos. Like, how much ergo does it have? It's 45 already anyway. Wait, try with the silencer you said? Without the silencer? Everybody loves the spear, bro. Oh, the basic scope is pretty good actually. 아, 이런 느낌. I get the feeling. The recoil is pretty big. I had the chance to fire it in IRL. Really? Ah, that's a little bit different if that's the case. Change the, yeah, I might have to change the recoil. I mean grip into recoil grip. It's not that high though. I swear to God, if a gun has that recoil stats, it's not gonna be this high. Fuck ergo. No, bro. I need to change everything if I'm gonna do that though. Let's try. Look at the bullet stats. I can't though. I need to check the. Oh wait. Actually, I can. Not. I need to see it from these. Wait, it doesn't show you the. Doesn't show you the recoil? Oh, it doesn't have any recoil. That's why. But it's used for the type fire. Yeah, it does seem like it. It's like the caliber is like M80 caliber, and then they don't full auto that much. I guess the juice cannon does it, but when you were doing unsuppressed, you took the muzzle brake too. Yeah, I did. I did. You're right. That might be why the suppressor was too big. I mean the. Bro, I can't talk. My brain got damaged so much. Brain damage. So like this for the full biggest recoil. I don't know if this is a right choice or not. Wait, it didn't go up that much. I mean the recoil didn't go down that much. -5, -15. This is a pretty low recoil. Yeah, I'm changing the stock. This is a pretty low recoil build I've done. Try putting the different sight. With the pad. Oh, I think this is the lowest recoil you can get. 6. Yeah, this thing is the lowest recoil. If you use other things, it's yeah. Roll is just for Argo though. This doesn't really matter for the recoil. Usually recoils are enhanced by the longer barrel, but this doesn't have a barrel. Even with the lowest, if you use the zoomed scope, it will feel a bit bad. Maybe hollow sight. Ah.